What's up, guys? Chadwick.cervinski back with you here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because I got a lot of fun stuff coming up. Starting with this intro video to a series that I'm just going to call Honest FPV. What's Honest FPV? It's going to be everything. It's going to be what equipment is junk, who's talking the most smack on the Facebook groups, who's just being a complete D-bag, anything. People who give horrible reviews, biased reviews, people who mention the word awesome quality or amazing 50 times in a 10-minute video. It's about time we put some honesty back into this hobby. Everybody's out trying to make a living off of this. Everybody's out trying to one-up each other and get sponsorships and get brands and everything, or be the cool guy, or be the nice guy, or just be a smart ass. I'm pretty much fed up with it. So it's my channel. Do what I'm going to do. Still going to provide all the same info that I have been before, but it's going to spice things up a little bit. I don't know if I woke up in a grouchy mood or anything like that, but I'm good. I can handle it. Don't worry. It could be this disaster that's in front of me that has me a little on edge. Not 100% sure. But hopefully it's something that you, the viewer, can appreciate. No bias, no sponsorships, no nothing coming from this bench. Just straight talk, and that's it. So anyway, stick around. By the way, this video is monetized. Thanks for the view and the $0.25 cent. And there is Amazon affiliate links into the bottom if you want to buy some stuff and help me out. Maybe pay for my Adobe fees a little bit or something like that. Honest, complete honest here. So we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Got clean FPV stuff coming up, and our first couple episodes of the Honest FPV series. So we'll talk to you later.